Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that YFI token has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. This is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that it is breaking out different bullish bias patterns one after another. Like first it broke out this smaller down channel and a bigger down channel as well, and the target for the breakout from the small down channel was here at the top of the channel at $11,240, and the price then rallied up to that target, and after hitting that target it got stuck inside in another bullish bias pattern that was a falling wedge pattern, then again broke it out, and the target was at the same level at $11,240, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target, and now recently it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And now you can see that a few weeks ago we have broken out this recent falling wedge pattern, and now the price line is getting accumulated above the previous resistance that is now working as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YFI token that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of October 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared on 2nd of October 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish versus sharp pattern that YFI token formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had moved up from the buying zone, and the sell target zone here and here as well. And before that we got a very massive pump of almost 215%. This was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that YFI token completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then again dropped down, entered the buying zone here, then we had a nice pump here, then we had a massive rally, and that was almost a more than 215% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of YFI, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that recently YFI token has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $5,500, and also got rejected by this quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. That was previously breaking as support here, and support here, support here, and support here. And now after the breakdown it is flipped into a very strong and long-term resistance. You can see that we got rejections here and few more rejections here, and now the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as a support. In order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this crisscross of the two resistance levels. One will be here at $5,500, and the next one will be this uptrend line resistance. If you take a look at the previous issue of this $5,500 resistance, then you can see that recently for the past several weeks it is breaking as a resistance. Before that it was breaking as support here, almost as support here, and here it was breaking as a resistance, and here as a support as well. Therefore again it is working as a resistance for the price line of YFI token. By the way, the technical target for this falling wedge pattern is again here at the top of the wedge at $11,240, and over there we have another quite long-term resistance. And at the same time you can see that YFI token also formed this big ascending triangle as well, and right now we are moving below the support. But after the breakout from this wedge, there can be a probability that soon it may re-enter the same triangle. And for example, if the price end will be re-enter the same triangle and break out the resistance of this triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here, approximately at $32,000, and the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.